Hi everyone, hope you're thirsty for another tea time project video. I wanted to share with you some inspiration on how you can combine different items to create a simple waterfall decoration to give your bathroom that unique water temple vibe, and so it becomes the place to unwind. Let's get started. First of all, you will need a very basic waterfall decoration. I got mine ages ago back at uni for £3 or so. They usually have the water function, but mine stopped working after a few days. No surprise there for the price. You will also need some stones, whatever color and size really. I got some pink ones. And you just need to place those stones around the waterfall structure so it looks like a stream. I had to put some paper between the walls of my waterfall as my stones were quite small, so they could easily drop into the holes. Make sure to do the same if your waterfall has any holes. Then you will need something special that will make the decoration unique and you will find pleasure when looking at it. It's best to use something that will grab your attention instantly. That's why I recommend to use an animal, because they have eyes, so you get that initial eye contact. For my decoration, I have used one of the decorative birds that you can attach to your curtains. But you can place a dragon, little house, small plant or tiny vase, whatever will give you that uniqueness and story that you're looking for. To add extra layers to the waterfall, we will need some artificial flowers. Mine used to have a stem attached to it, but I broke it by accident and I just knew I would find second life for them. So the trick here is to add more color, but let the flowers be quite relaxing rather than stimulating. And for that, you want to use flowers of the same color family, so red and pink like I have in this case. In other instances, you could use yellow and orange or blue and purple. Preferably, you want to use flowers directly opposite of the color of the special item on the color wheel. I only had red and pink flowers, so I purposely chose green bird. If your special item will be of the same color family, it will get lost in the background, whereas right now it instantly pops out, and that's the effect you're looking for. And that's it. As you can see, you don't need to spend fortune on decoration. You just need to find the right items that fit together well. I hope you enjoyed this small tea time project, and hopefully it gave you some inspiration to create your own decoration set. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Mugolicious content. If you're a coffee lover, you might wanna check out my Amazon merch or Zazzle store with the cutest designs ever. The links are in the description box below. Have a terrific day and see you next Thursday.